friends, Dolly here, back again with new tricks, new tips, new hacks just for you. I believe life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. I took this profession, it was a passion which turned into a profession. That's how I reacted to it. What about you? So I don't want you to miss on any of my videos as I'm coming up with a whole series of YouTube videos on sari draping just for you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, press on the button below and subscribe to my channel so that you know whenever I post a new video for you. So yeah friends, in today's drape what I'm going to teach you is how to drape a sari on a long jacket blouse. What she's wearing is a long jacket blouse. I've got a lot of requests from all of you. You don't know how to wear, you don't know how to pleat, how much to take the palla. So in this video I think I'm going to cover up all these topics. So let's begin. I've just done the basic tuck here and I'm going to tuck it behind. So when you're doing a long jacket thing, what you can do is just lift the jacket a little and then start tucking. What I meant by lifting the jacket was lift it like this. And you've done your tuck till here. By now you know what this is. This is like the basic tuck that I do. And then you take the fabric from here. And do like a handful of material here because the pleats that you have to make your lower pleats with. So take the sari from here and you start making your shoulder pleats. So this is how I make my shoulder pleats. Since it's silk, so you have to be like really very particular because the border is little thick. And once it sets, it just sets so beautifully. Look at this. Yeah. After you've done that, you know what I'm going to use. By now you all know that this is my magical go-to pegs which I cannot do without. So just do this and take another peg and I'm going to make my pleats. So this is the length that I want you to, have this in this kind of a drape. After you've done this, just leave the peg wherever it is and start aligning these pleats of yours. After you've done that, just remove this from here. Okay. Since we want to show the entire jacket of ours, we're just going to leave it like a cowl here, this. And now what I'm going to do is take the fabric straight. Here. And we'll start making our lower pleats first. After you've made your lower pleats, after you've done this, just dust this a little, you'll get all your pleats in place. And then I'm just going to fold this so that you all can see this properly. Take this and look at the way I'm tucking this. Nice and straight goes in. You take this and tuck this in right below your navel, like this. After you've done that, Now what? Now this is the part that you all have to see. Now I'm going to take this down so that you all can understand what I'm doing here. I'm just taking this fabric, I'm just taking this fabric underneath the blouse and bringing this here and shaping my waist at an angle. So let me just give you a pin here. Shaping this at an angle and adding a pin here. If you want to add this pin on from the top also, it's okay, because any which ways it's not going to be visible. So after you've done that, just take these pleats, properly align them. So just take this and place this on your shoulders, bringing this little down so that you have a nice, neat, effect here also. We don't want too much of fabric here gathered. This actually, if you do that, it will make you look heavy from this side. So you've got nice tucked in tight here, and you can just, if you want, you can align it, but I like it, a little spreaded, because I feel you've put in so much effort to make pleats. Why do you want to just make it like a patta, like one band? I feel this looks prettier. So I think this way. And and this is how you do this pleats. Let me just teach you how you can accessorize it. She's already wearing some beautiful neck piece and earrings, but I still feel if you want, ask me, I can do something to accessorize it and to give it a little more drama. So I think I will use this, and I will either put it on this side or I can even use it on this side. So let me tuck it this side. It's got this nice hook, so it's pretty easy for you to just take this and see, you can do it on this side. I mean, it's your taste, your choice, your kind of a fabric that you're wearing. If you think this side, the sari pleats are there and it is bothering you, so what you can do is, you can use it this side also. I'll show you how it looks. So in your comment, you can tell me which side you liked. So this and this. I feel this side is looking prettier. I mean, the rest I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Yeah, but this is how you drape a long, a sari with a long jacket blouse.